guys, welcome to Renee Holden Marketing, where we discuss lead generation marketing strategies to help your small business grow. I'm Renee, I'm a marketing specialist, and today we're talking about how to drive sales to your WordPress website using SEO or search engine optimization. Let's talk about how to get more traffic to your website by optimizing your WordPress blog posts using SEO. So we're going to take a look at one of my WordPress blog posts, and I'm going to show you how I optimize it. So I would say the most important aspect of implementing SEO or search engine optimization on your blog posts is just to invest in the Yoast SEO tool. Before I invested in this tool, I got very minimal traffic, and after implementing it and then actually using it to optimize my SEO, I've gotten a lot more traffic, so I highly recommend trying that plugin first for SEO. I think you can just search SEO, Yoast SEO, WordPress plugin, and it was super easy to download. So after implementing or downloading your Yoast plugin, you will get this whole extra section at the bottom of your WordPress website. You can see here we start with this focus key phrase. So this is the keyword that I'm going to be targeting throughout my blog posts. And this is the keyword that when my audience is searching in Google inbound leads, that I want this blog post to be shown for. So how do you pick this key phrase? You want to be picking a key phrase that you think your audience will be searching, but you also want to pick a key phrase that's going to be searched often. So if 5 people a month are searching for this keyword, then you're not as likely to improve your SEO as if you're choosing keywords that are searched, often. So how do you find these keywords? You can use any number of free keyword research tools, like even the Google Keyword Planner I think is really good. But if you don't want to do any of that, there's a really simple solution. You can simply search. You can come all the way down to the bottom of this page, and these keywords right here are the keywords Google is saying are searched the most in relation to the term that you just searched. So choosing these as, your focus key phrase is a really smart idea. You can also use a keyword plugin. So I have a keyword plugin called Keywords Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere is free. Just Google Keywords Everywhere plugin and download it and free. And these are also highly searched keywords. So I've chosen my key phrase, and now I'm going to put this key phrase in the SEO optimization locations on my blog post. So first of all, you want it to be in your URL slug. So your URL slug is just basically the words that come after the URL for your blog post. Make sure they're in your slug. Make sure they're in your meta description. This is the meta description, so when people are searching my keywords, this is what the post will look like. SEO Yoast is also really great because it points out problems, improvements, and things that you are doing well. So you want to make sure your key phrase is in the introduction. That's in the first couple sentences of your blog posts. You want it to be used throughout your blog post. So looks like mine was found 9 times, which might be a little much. I recommend maybe doing 4 or 5 times mostly. In your meta description, we just talked about that, and in your title. So you can see here in my blog post, I have more inbound lead resources. If I go to the top, you can see implementing an inbound lead generation strategy is literally the first thing I say in the blog posts. So that's what Google is looking for when they're looking for SEO optimized blog posts. It just makes it easier to tell what your blog post is about, and therefore easier to recommend it for certain search queries. We also have other metrics that we can look at. Some are more important than others, I found. So an important one is having images and internal and external links. So you want to have links to other resources in your blog post. So I always put like this resource section at the bottom of my blog post, and these are my outbound links. That is really the main way to optimize your blog posts. Simply find high traffic keywords and then make sure they are in the specific places in your WordPress blog posts. And this is really great too, because even if you don't have a WordPress blog post, these rules are still the same. Okay guys, that's pretty much how you optimize your WordPress blog post for SEO. SEO is a long-term game, so don't expect results right away. You really want to consistently put out content with your target keywords over, a long period of time. I even think you don't even see results really usually till about 6 months after starting an SEO strategy. So just give it time, be consistent. Please comment down below. I'd love to answer some specific questions about SEO and getting traffic to your website, online sales, that sort of thing. Other than that, have a good day. See you later. Bye.